Let's talk about CarCoin. CarCoin are an online auto committee where you can connect with auto dealers that also participate in cryptocurrencies. CarCoin strive to develop an environment where anyone can purchase a vehicle at any time using their digital wallet and nothing else. This network is built to require businesses to hold CarCoin to access free digital advertising and give consumers accessibility to information and payment transparency. CarCoin aim to bring credit markets to those that wish to leverage their digital wallets and not their credit scores in order to secure automatic collateral. They believe in a fair and transparent marketplace where auto dealers make available all information and store within the blockchain. CarCoin will continue to be at the forefront of bringing mainstream adoption and usefulness of blockchain to the automotive industry. CarCoin is held by automotive dealers in order to access free listing and advertising of their inventory. The platform is connects consumers with live inventory that displays and gives them the ability to purchase a vehicle with cryptocurrency including CarCoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. The release of the CarCoin plugin will give all auto dealers access to free advertising across a large network of channels across the world. 1000 CarCoin will need to be staked by the dealer in the plugin wallet to maintain services. This will also allow for access of CarCoin being exchanged direct to the dealer through any platform with the plugin installed. Holders of CarCoin can stake their tokens with a yearly annual percentage rate of 40%. These tokens are accepted by dealer partners through the platform as a discount of vehicle purchase commensurate with value. In addition to the integrated payment portals, CarCoin intends to develop a decentralized auto finance app that will collateralize your wallet against the purchase of a vehicle. This in turn opens up credit access and purchasing ability to a large market. Let's talk about the process of using CarCoin. First, you have to submit your card details in CarCoin, and a CarCoin team member will contact you. Second, you have to allow them to submit your card details to their network of dealers and connect you with the best offers available. Third, you will receive an obligation free assessment of what dealers are likely to pay for your car based on information provided. And finally, if you accept the offer from the dealer, CarCoin will arrange the collection of your car directly with them. And voila, receive your payment on the spot. Isn't it very easy? Besides, CarCoin has no hidden fees, additional costs, or sales commissions, and that's guaranteed. CarCoin works alongside a network of reputable dealers who specialize in purchasing all types of cars and rely on them to connect them to you. CarCoin will never charge you for their service to you. Why are you late? Start to earn CarCoin token rewards and more shopping for your next car. CarCoin is the most convenient, safe, simple, and hassle-free approach to selling your car immediately. Co-founder of CarCoin said that CarCoin market makes use of their patent pending listing conversion. CarCoin market is an effectively working automatic crypto classified marketplace. They have active dealer subscribers across the United States with more partnership in the pipeline. CarCoin is not limited to just CarCoin market. Ultimately, thousands of channels will be added to the network with the upcoming completion and release of the CarCoin plugin as well as international based platforms for world inclusion. These will provide consumers with more privacy while shopping in addition to providing auto dealers a fixed solution to control the skyrocketing cost of advertising in a 980 billion US dollar a year study. The initial exchange offering of Carcoin on X market starts with round 1 on April 19, 2021. A bonus of 20% is being offered during this round. This is the first public token sale for Carcoin. So, thank you everyone.